Hi guys, what's up? I hope everybody is doing good, and I am here with a very happy announcement. For the first time, I'm launching an online live crash course for CA Inter auditing, which many have been asking me for the last three attempts. But finally, it's become possible. Now, regular classes we have been doing on all modes. That is on Google Drive, it's available, face to face was available, and even online live was available. But now, when it comes to crash course, it was only Google Drive, but for the first time auditing, I am planning to do an online live class. And also, strategic management is as usual ready for purchase in the Google Drive mode starting now. If you're watching this video right now, you can start procuring the videos of strategic management. And on this day, when you're watching this video, you will still be left with a solid 55 days if you are writing only Group 2 in CA Inter. And if you are ready to give the next 45 days only 2.5 to 3 hours per day onto these two subjects, you can be rest assured that even if you are starting from scratch, you will be in a very good position to score really high marks owing to doing these classes. And then a revision pattern will be told to you. You can follow that. So, this crash course is being brought to you as one of the best packages right now that I can give you, right? In a span of about 90 to 100 hours, this is going to be an absolute, a career changing decision for many who have been stuck in Group 2 for quite some time. Those people who have been writing Unit 2D, having only two subjects of audit and FMSM, they have been literally, waiting for some miracle to happen. And probably I can right now comfortably call this as, hoping that this would be a miracle to you. So, guys, as you can see on screen, the duration for audit would be about 60 hours, and the live classes online, the platform, the mode, everything will be discussed with the students who are enrolled. So it'll be an online live class. You can sit back at home and watch it comfortably. Plus, for all those students who have enrolled for the classes, we will be giving Google Drive backup as well, because we know now times are pretty difficult. So even if you miss a class or two, you need not worry about that. Google Drive backup will be available. Those people who are already into something who can't attend the live class due to the time restrictions, because we will be declaring the time as well with the enrolled students. And then if you see that timings will be announced very shortly, right? And the timetable, if it doesn't suit you, you can as well go for the Google Drive mode, because right from day one, that is on March 20th, as the classes start on a daily basis, the live classes that have been taken will also be available on Google Drive. So starting today, don't wait for auspicious occasions. Right now is the auspicious occasion. Reach out to my team. They will give you all the details which are required to enroll. You can reach out to us on Telegram and Instagram, or you can also leave a comment below this. But only thing is, if you leave a comment, we will have to reach out to you. So it's better you reach us to Telegram or Instagram on my ID, C Harish Krishnan, which you see below. So don't wait for anything special to happen. You are the ones to make up. SM 100% the syllabus is covered absolutely, right. And in fact, this time I'm not using some compressed material where things look like they have been eaten away. No, I'm absolutely using the full course material that we generally use, and then we have done an excellent job in pulling off that material so that you will be making sure that you understand the topics, plus also you'll be able to write proper answers in the exam. Also, when it comes to audit, the material is crafted in such a way that you have a complete understanding of concept, plus it helps you with easy revision, right? So everything only is on the advantageous side, and you can see it's absolutely exam oriented. No absolute additional topics at all of what is needed purely exam oriented, so that you are focused like laser on point, getting the best out of this. In this whole story of the course, the inclusions, if you see, whether it be Google Drive, generally on Google Drive all the course lectures will be available. Videos where I discuss the MCQ and Q&A discussion at the end of every chapter, we are including that also. Study material and on screen notes along with an MCQ workbook additional questions of MCQs. What I don't discuss in class, there are a lot of additional practice MCQs if you really want to practice, because some people gain confidence by practice, some people gain confidence by concept. Both are cool, right? And if you're somebody who's already known me from quite some time, I always tell you, you need not specially prepare for MCQs, right? But still, all MCQs which potentially are capable of coming in the exam, a compilation has been made, a workbook is ready, that also will be provided to you. And all of these are provided to you, the materials in PDF, so that you have early access and easy access, and they are all also in printable versions. So if needed, you can as well generate the hard copy by yourself and start preparing for the exams immediately. This time, owing to audit question paper being a little on the tougher side, I understand why we call that, because this time the testing was completely conceptual oriented. So many people have lost their confidence in terms of, even if they studied well, they probably couldn't perform in the exam. So, which is exactly why, to rebuild that confidence, this course would probably help you. And starting March 20th, it is not going to go on forever. It is only going to go on up till the 31st of March or 1st April. So, by the end of March, that is in a span of 12 days, you should be able to wrap up. And I'm not going to take the whole day again, right? On a 4-hour class per day or across 12 days. And yeah, on weekends we will have additional classes. Everything will be planned. Those people who are interested in it will share all the details with them. My team is already ready with stuff like that. They are going to give you all the details, right? So do not wait. Again, I'm saying, do not wait for some auspicious occasion or some miracle to happen. If this video has come your way, there is some conspiracy which the universe has done to let you understand that this is what it is meant for. So make the most of it. Enroll for the class, live classes. Those of you who want to do the audit, if you want to enroll for strategic management, you don't have to wait. Right after the video, you can send us a message on Telegram or Instagram. Your classes will be delivered on the same day as you purchase. I'd look forward to meeting you in online live class of audit. And for those, I wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.